Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something really interesting, especially for those of you who are into Forex trading. I've been testing a new trading system called the Forex Decimus Trading System, and I'm going to walk you through how it works, what I think about it, and whether it's something you might want to try for yourself. I know there are tons of systems out there, so let's see if this one actually delivers. So, what exactly is the Forex Decimus Trading System? It's a signal system designed to give you alerts for potential buy and sell trades, all powered by MetaTrader 4. What I really liked about it right off the bat is how simple it is. It doesn't overcomplicate things, which, let's be honest, is refreshing in the world of Forex. The system uses the stochastic indicator, which is a popular tool for determining overbought or oversold conditions, to help guide its signals. These signals show up as pop-ups on your MT4 platform, and they tell you whether the trend is pointing to a buy, sell, or if you should just wait. And that's all based on the price action happening at the time. I first tried the system on a demo account, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through what I experienced. I started using it around 6 a.m. Central Standard Time, and it wasn't long before I started seeing the first signals pop up on my screen. The Forex Decimus system is set to work on a 15-minute chart, so it's perfect for people who prefer short-term trades, whether you're a day trader or a scalper. However, I do think it would also work well on higher time frames, although I haven't tested it on those yet. The great thing about this system is that it gives you really clear signals, either a buy or sell alert. But here's the catch. While these signals are easy to follow, you also need to have a bit of a strategy to manage them. In my case, I used the stochastic indicator to guide my decision on when to close the trades. This indicator, for those who don't know, shows you whether the market is overbought or oversold. If the lines cross, it's a signal that momentum might be shifting, and that's when I'd consider closing the trade. The system, however, doesn't force you to take trades blindly. It just provides you with alerts that you can act on based on your own rules. Now, let me tell you about my experience in terms of results. After about an hour of using the system, I saw some nice upward movement on the trades. At one point, I was up nearly $20 on a couple of trades. Then, as often happens in Forex, the market started to pull back a little, and my gains shrunk. But that's okay, because with this system, I didn't panic. I just used the stochastic lines to decide when to exit, and I allowed the trades to naturally run their course. I've always said that trading isn't about getting everything perfect, but more about managing your trades. And this system definitely gave me the tools to do that. As I continued to track my trades, I noticed the Forex Decimus system was pretty accurate in its predictions. Now, let me be clear, this isn't a get-rich-quick kind of system. You're not going to make huge profits on your first day. But if you're consistent and follow the signals, this system has the potential to produce solid returns. For me, by the time I wrapped up my trading session, I was looking at a modest profit, and I felt comfortable with that because the signals were clear and actionable. I didn't have to make complex decisions or second-guess myself. One thing I really appreciated about the Forex Decimus system is its multi-timeframe approach. The system looks at the higher time frames to give you a more accurate picture of the overall trend, which is fantastic. Often, when you're trading on lower time frames, it's easy to get caught in market noise. But this system helps you stay aligned with the bigger picture. So even if you're trading the 15-minute chart, you have a clear sense of the higher trend direction, which is something that many other systems don't provide. I'll admit, at times I wasn't sure when to close some of my trades, especially when the market was consolidating. However, that's where the real skill of trading comes in. The system provides great signals, but it's still up to you to manage your trades based on the signals and market conditions. In hindsight, I would probably use fewer pairs at a time to make it easier to manage, but that's just something to keep in mind as you get used to the system. All in all, I'm impressed with the Forex Decimus Trading System. It's simple, effective, and easy to follow, especially if you're someone who prefers short-term trading. The alerts are clear, and the system's use of the stochastic indicator adds an extra layer of reliability when managing trades. I think this system can definitely help both beginners and experienced traders who are looking for something that doesn't overcomplicate the process. If you're interested in giving it a shot, I highly recommend you start with a demo account first and see how it works for you. And remember, the key to success with any trading system is practice and consistency. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Forex Decimus system, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Forex tips and reviews. I'll catch you in the next video. Happy trading!